Meaning of flavorless.
Flavourless.
Flavorless.
Flavorless.
Flavorless. Flavorless means lacking in taste or flavor. It refers to something that does not have a distinct or noticeable taste, often described as bland or uninteresting. Foods or drinks that are flavorless may be considered unappetizing or unsatisfying. For example, a dish with no seasoning or spices might be described as flavorless. Additionally, medications that are meant to be tasteless may also be described as flavorless. Overall, flavorless refers to something that does not stimulate the senses of taste or smell.